All right, boys and girls, we are back to doing some lessons online. So we're going to work on our subtraction without regrouping today. I'm going to show you a different way to break down the numbers. I want you to try it. If you don't think it's for you and you want to go back to using base 10 blocks or doing your subtraction vertically and using number line, that's fine. But today we're just going to try it to see if you like it, and it will give you another way to check your work. So I'm going to turn you towards the board here. All right, so the problem we're going to work on right now is 56 minus 44. Okay, I'm going to break that down into our tens and our ones. So we've got 50 in the tens column, and we've got 6 in the ones column over here. So I did a 50 and a 6. So we just did some expanded notation. We just expanded it out because if we had 50 plus 6, it would equal 56. I'm going to do the same with 44. There's a 4 in the tens column. That's 40 plus a 4 in the ones column. That's 4. So 40 plus 4 would be 44, right? Okay, so then we're just going to subtract our tens and our ones. It might be a little bit easier for you. Maybe it confuses you more. We're just going to give it a shot. It's always good to have another way to do it. So here's my subtraction sign. Okay, so we're just going to subtract the tens because this was our original number. I'm going to put that up there so it doesn't confuse us. That's our original number sentence we're working on. 50 minus 40, or you can take away the zeros, 5 minus 4. So 50 minus 40 equals, right, 10. Okay? And 6 minus 4 equals, right, 2. Okay? Now we take our answers from our subtraction problems and we add it together. 10 plus 2 equals what? Yep, 10 plus 2 equals 12. Okay, I know that is a lot. We're going to go over it one more time. So we started with 56 minus 44. We broke them down, or we expanded them for some expanded notation to the tens. So that was 50 because there's a 5 in the tens column, and 6 because there's a 6 in the ones column. Because if we added 50 plus 6, it would equal 56, right? Then we took our 44 and did the same thing. We got a 4 in the tens column. That means we had 40. We have a 4 in the ones column. That means we have 4. So if we added 40 plus 4 together, it would still equal 44. It's the same numbers, boys and girls. It's just that we're breaking them down a different way. Something that may be easier for you to do. When I add or subtract, I usually break it down this way in my head. It's just a little bit easier. Okay? When we did this, when we subtracted 50 minus 40, we got 10. When we subtracted 6 minus 4, it equaled 2. Then we add together our tens and our ones. 10 minus 2 equals 12. All right? I'm going to show you, for those of you that like to do your problems vertically, what this would look like vertically. Let me move my subtraction sign. So we had 50 minus, 56 from here minus 44. We're basically doing the same thing. We're just not breaking it down into tens and ones. So we did 6 minus 4 equals 2. And we think of this as 50 minus 40 because it's in the tens column. Here we actually broke it out. 50 minus 40 equals 10, or a 1 in the tens column. And our answer is still 12. Okay? Let's do it with base 10 blocks. We started with 56. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, we needed to take away 4 ones. Do we have 4 ones? Yes, because we are not borrowing in this particular problem. So I had how many left? 2, same as here. Let's look at our tens. I have 5 tens. I need to take away how many? 4, that's right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and how many do we have left? 1. There it is. Okay, it's just a different way of doing the problems that you've seen. If you like this way, that's fine. If you like this way, that's also fine. We want to try to get away from this way though because we're working up to be 3rd graders. So it's fine for now, and if you want to use it to check your subtraction, you can. But I want you to start getting used to maybe this way or even this way of doing your problem for your main way of figuring out the answer. Good for checking and okay for now, but we're going to be practicing to be 3rd graders soon. So try to get more familiar with this way or this way. I am going to do one more problem for you. All right, let's see. Let me take down my numbers and I will write a new problem. Actually, I'm going to put it up on sticky notes first and then we'll write it. Okay. All right, let's do 78. Erase that. 78 minus, let's do 43. All right. 78 minus 43. Now we need to break out, or we need to expand our numbers here. So 78, I've got a 7 in the tens column, so that would be 70. And I have an 8 in the ones column, so that would be 8. Now you tell me, how about 43? What would I write for my tens column? Yes, I would write a 40. And what would I write for my ones column? Right, I would write a 3. Excuse me. So now we have our 78, which is 70 plus 8 equals 78, and our 40 plus 3 equals 43. Same numbers, we just took them and expanded them. Okay, so let's do 70 minus 40. All right, 70 minus 40, or I can think of it as 7 minus 4 equals what? That's right, it equals 30. And 8 minus 3, what does 8 minus 3 equal? That's right, 5. Okay, so 30 plus 5 is going to be my answer. So what is my answer to my problem? 35. Am I sure? Well, let me go to my vertical way of subtraction and double check. 78 minus 43. And I'm going to do this with base 10 blocks because I know you like, some of you like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for 70, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so let's look. 8 minus 3. Can I take away 3? Sure can. 3, and I have how many left? 5, and I know because I didn't touch that row, and I always put 5 in my row. Whoops. 5, okay. Now I have 7 tens, so I need to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many do I have left? That's right. 35. Do I have 35 here? 35, and my answer was 35. All right, just another way of doing subtraction. If you like this way, it'll be another option you have. It's always good to have lots of options. So let me show you the work that you're going to do today. I'm going to turn the computer around the other way. Sorry if that made you dizzy. Okay. So we have got some candy corn math. Looks like candy corn, right? Okay. I think for this, I just want you to cut around it. We don't need to cut out each candy corn. And we really need the time to do our work instead of cutting out each one. So I'll show you how I want you to cut them out. Okay, just cut around them. That'll be good for now. Of course, we're putting it where in our notebook? Oh, you guys, you know exactly what I'm looking for. So impressed. You're quickly becoming almost third graders. I love it. Can't believe it. All right, so just a little glue on each corner. You know how this goes. And that should fit pretty much on your page. Oh, look at that. Almost perfectly. Okay. So I'm going to get my pen. You're using a pencil. Oh, same thing here. They give you the number. They want you to do it in base 10 blocks and break it up just like we did on the board. I'm going to do this. Yeah, this one here is closer. Okay, base 10 blocks, we start with 49. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And down here, we're going to break it apart. Oh, I've got a 40. Oops, sorry, right and sideways. 40 plus a 9 for 49. And I'm going to take away a 20 and a 5. And if you want to write it vertically over here, I think there might be room. You could even do that. I would be so impressed if you did all 3. Plus, you'll learn more that way. Oh, sorry. There we go. You could even do it 3 ways if you're really, really into the subtraction and want to check all your work. I'm not going to do the work for you. You figure it out. You can totally handle that, right? I thought so. All right. If you happen to get all that done, we have one more thing to do. Some more candy corn themed. Now we were supposed to cut these out, but I don't want to lose any of these candy corn over here, so I'm just going to have you do it with your finger while your eyes are closed and you can pick one. I'm going to pick that one. All right, so let's see. 39, so I write that up here. 39 minus 25. Oh, I think we did 25 on the last one. Was that the same one we did? That would be funny, wouldn't it? Oh, 49 plus 20 minus 25. Almost the same. Break it out. 3 tens is 30. And then 9 ones. And 2 tens is 20. And 5 ones. And then I'm not going to do the math for you. 30 minus 20 equals... and 9 minus 5 equals, and then you can add those together and get your answer. Okay? This is all you today. No partners. All right? I think it was good to have a little practice time on our own. So that's it today. If you don't get this done, no problem. We have time tomorrow for math in the morning. All right, everybody. Work hard and enjoy your math. If you need help, put your name up on the help list.